everywhere. Everywhere we go. It's crazy. Alright guys, so welcome. Hang on. Oh, right. Welcome to the channel. This is a different video. Way different to the normal gaming stuff and the regular vlog. I decided, I mean the title will probably tell you anyway, to go out during a blizzard down to the coastline to get some good pictures, just because I'm in Cornwall down in the UK and you don't get snow down here very often, especially not like this. I mean, you can see behind me, I'm sure it is absolutely mad. So I'm just going to go out, record some stuff, hopefully put something together that looks really cool and stick it on YouTube. So yeah, I'll have a few pictures probably around and some cool stuff. I'll see you in a bit. So it looks like most people have given up here, actually. They've kind of had a look over there and said, nah, fuck that, time to go. So we're going to keep going. There's a few footsteps here, but they kind of fade out. It could be the people living down here, but this is actually the most dangerous part of everything, I think. See what I mean? Because we're going to go down this hill, and this hill is steep. So I'm hoping it's not too icy. If so, I'll end up sliding down. Regardless of whatever happens, I'm still going down there. It just might be slightly painful. So we're guaranteed to get some good pictures. Great video, hopefully. Now we're a bit sheltered down here because the trees are kind of over us, but we are still getting a bit of snow. It's starting to get a bit steep. A bit steep now. It's very picturesque. And just as we go around this bend, you'll see the steepness just takes a massive curve down. So we might have to find a different way. It does look like a few people have been out walking around, walking their dogs. And it could be, it might be better to walk through the grassy bit or the foliage, or close to it at least, where the snow's more like powder than ice. That way we shouldn't slip down. But it looks pretty good so far. It does actually look pretty good. I think we're going to be fairly safe. Now, if you guys have seen one of my other vlogs, I can't remember what it's called, but I'll put a card just up in the corner. We actually filmed coming through this part a little while ago, so maybe I'll just add that in somewhere so you guys can see a comparison from the summer to, well, what we've got here now. Now usually there's a nice lake, river coming across here, but I can't hear it. I've always been able to hear it, so I'm going to guess that it could well be frozen. Let's have a good look. No, it's not completely frozen, but it is looking good. It's looking very good. Alright, we're back, we're readjusted, we're good. Let's go down. I don't want to go too far because I know just how dangerous this can be. But I don't want to be one of those guys on the news. I'm drowning in the sea, in the freezing cold. So I think this is about as far as I'm willing to go. Anyway, pretty rough out there. So the waves crashing. I've been out for a few hours at this point. I'm not that cold, to be honest with you. I'm feeling quite warm. I am quite well laid up. My nose is running, but that's about it. So sorry if there's any boogers in this video. Can't be helped. Now if we go round and follow the pathway round, we should go round in a circle, I think. So we'll try and do that. To the other beach, and then we'll probably head back because by that time we'll be out for about 6 hours maybe, and I don't quite know if I'm going to hold up another 3 hours out here, so let's go down this way. That way is about 4 miles until we get off the coast path, so there's no way in hell no way in hell I'm going down there. I've only been down there once or twice. I don't feel safe getting down there actually in this weather, so we'll go back the other way and meet ourselves where we started, and then I think we'll go down to the other beach. I think we've got time. Yeah, we've got some good time. We're going to head down to the other beach. We'll check that out as well. If for some reason it's not in this video, I'll leave it in the end cards so you guys can have a click and you guys can check that one out as well. So I wonder.